chicken breasts were cooked evenly, I decided to cook them in batches. I made sure to monitor the temperature closely, starting out at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. However, as expected, the temperature did drop to 156 degrees, which made me adjust it to 152, but only once it started to climb back up. I wanted to make sure that the chicken was cooked thoroughly, but also that it wasn't overcooked or dried out. By following these safety measures, I managed to attain the ideal degree of cooking. These are 2 aquarium pumps. Using pumps will increase heat transfer and the cooling will take place 30% faster.